Tonight we're gonna party like it's 1999. Remember the song from Prince? Well, that was back in 1999, and that's a long time ago now. I graduated high school in 1993. If I had a will from 1999, it would be 22 years old. It's longer than I've been married. If you have a will from 1999, or from 1980, or from 2010, you should probably consider having it reviewed to see if it needs to be updated. The first thing that you can do is look at it yourself. Are your executors still alive? Is it the right people named? And who's your money going to? Maybe you made it before you had kids, before you were married. Maybe the person you named as executor to receive money you don't like anymore. You don't have in your life. You don't want to leave him money. You certainly don't trust him to be your executor. That's an easy thing to look at. And then you can talk to an attorney to figure out what other questions you may not be asking or know to ask, right? Because you're looking at it from a very static standpoint. Who's the executor? Who do I want it to go to? But there's other things to ask. What assets do you own? Do you own any businesses? Do you own any other properties? Do you own rental properties? Have you considered creditor protection planning with irrevocable trusts, revocable trusts, a variety of different tools, limited liability companies, LLCs, you name it. How do you want the people to get the money? Do you want it to give them outright at 18 or 21, or do you want it to be distributed over time? Do you want someone to be able to live in a house for the rest of their life, but not actually, get the money for the house, just be able to live there, and then when they pass away, that money gets dispersed to other people? So there's lots of questions that we want to ask you about your will and your estate planning situation that you probably don't know to ask. You should update your will in primarily two situations. One, there's a major life event, a death, a divorce. You come into a lot of money. You lose a lot of money. You have a change of a beneficiary, someone you want to leave money to, someone you trust or don't trust anymore who is in your documents. Or two, if it's just been a certain amount of time. There's no perfect amount of time, but I'd probably say every 3 years or so, just take a look at them, see if they seem right, and talk to an attorney about it. But you want to make sure that they stay up to date, because once you pass away or become incapacitated, it is too late. So get it done ahead of time. I'm attorney Mike Massey. I've helped over 1,000 estate planning families with estate planning, and I would love to talk to you. Click below to learn more, or look us up and call us at Mike Massey Law. Make today a great day.